tuning this VC drag car today. It's got a 5.7 LS1, Victor Senior manifold, 850 quick fuel carb, VCM 710, cam and some ported heads. Standard bottom end extractors and a 3-speed trimatic. Now it's got an MSD 6LS. Now we've just adjusted the timing curve. It had 36 degrees of flat timing all the way from 2000 RPM. So we've adjusted the curve now, 31 at 2000. Take some timing out around peak torque with 31 degrees in the top end. We are going to hit the nitrous this afternoon, so having some conservative peak torque timing is going to protect the standard con rods. So we're going to get into jetting the carby now, make sure it's all good on the primary side first, and then get into some full throttle runs. So we're just checking out the mixtures on how it was set up already, because you just brought the car, and it is fat, very rich, just from a few 30 seconds to a minute. We've completely carbon fouled the spark plugs, caused a small backfire out the carby. So we'll put some fresh plugs in, pull the bowl off, go over the jetting first, and try again. Being so fat, we've replaced the power valve because the inner diaphragm was leaking. We've shrunk the main jets down. We've also shrunk the idle jets down 4 thou on both the mains and the idles. So we're going to put the metering block back in with some fresh spark plugs and retest the primary side of the carby. We've just done our first hit on the primary run, and we've set our target lambda up 12.45 to 1 AFR, and it does start going pretty fat, and the top end even richer again, 11.8, right around 4400. So we'll pull even more fuel out of the power channel. The mains and the idles look really good, it's about 4 thou reduction. We'll keep going on the primaries and then put the secondaries up. Because our full throttle is quite rich, we've shrunk the power channel down. We were 60 thou, we're now 55 thou on the power channel, so that should bring our overall fueling up. And the fact that it tapers rich, I've gone larger on the main high-speed air corrector, so that should help flatten out the top end of the fueling. So we'll give it a hit and see where it sits. Finished our secondary calibration, now set our target mixtures up, and pretty much I'm really happy with the results. Very tight, richest point being 12.1s, leanest point being 12.6s. You know, average that out to about 12.4s, 12.5s, exactly where we're trying to target. So we've set it up on pump on both, 312 kilowatts, 418 horsepower, very good. So we're going to turn the bottle on, put the nitrous plugs in, fill it for about a 150 shot to start with, and we'll see what happens. So we're going to fill it for a 175 shot, which will be a 73 on the nitrous and a 53 on the fuel at about 7 psi fuel pressure. So we've just done our first hit on the 175 shot. Mixtures are still pretty conservative in the low 12 to 1 AFR. We've got a 9 heat range spark plug and I pulled 12 degrees from our total, so actually around 20 degrees total timing in the top end, and it started to nose over